think the amount of takes I do on this is ridiculous. The amount of times I say in a video is actually quite ridiculous as well. But just an update, I am now back. Thought I'd settle into my job a little bit. Just to let you know, the engine is actually in the car. That's actually mounted with the gearbox. I'm just yet to go to a fabricator to do a video. Thought I'd lay low for a while. Not really much progress. Been putting money aside, getting on with my new job. But I've actually got a new car. I think the last video I did was the Jazz. The Jazz got stolen. After the catalytic converter got stolen, then they thought they would come and take the whole car. Probably not the same people, but just my luck, that'll be the case. Quite upset because I actually had a Halfords toolkit in there worth about £300. That went down the pan, camera equipment went down the pan. But here we are, filming on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Hopefully I'm going to get to the fabricator next month, do a video for you, show you the car around. But for now I'll show you the Honda CR-V. 2006 2.2 diesel. Picked up for about £1.5 grand. Cannot complain, there's a few bits that I do need to change on it, which we're going to do in future videos. Turn that black, refresh this. But all in all, it's not a bad car. 130k, just shows how long I've not done a video for. Bought it on 120, so I must have done about 10k, plus the time I did in the Jazz before it got stolen. But yeah, this is going to be the new daily. I mainly got this because eventually I can put a trailer on. Once I got a trailer on, it'll be easier to transport my car for track days and whatnot once it's finished. Because not always I'm going to be driving it around, due to insurance and stuff. As you noticed on this side, it's got the side step. On the other side, it did have a side step, but I clipped it with my foot and it wasn't even attached to anything. So that was not ideal. I don't know how it lasted that long to stay on the car, but I took it off anyway. I'll take you inside. So overall, it's a clean car. There has been a list of problems, but I will explain that in another video. It's quite a long list, so that'll probably fill up a whole video on its own. But yeah, no, it's still got a lot of beef in it. The clutch is going now, but it still gives it some. But yeah, hopefully Tuesday I'm going to be doing a new video. Going to the garage, working on my car actually. Going to be testing the carbon bumper, so hopefully get a good video of that. But yeah, I'll keep it short and sweet, but pleasure. Yeah, so we're at the garage today, finally. I thought I'd come a bit sooner than next month. But here we are, looking very fresh. Finally getting there, engine's in. Don't think I showed you this last time. This is at Tom's strut bar. Radiator's not in yet, but that's purchased, ready to go in. But as I said, hopefully the video's going to get a lot more frequent. There's just a lot been going on in the background, but there's a lot of cars there to appreciate, which I'm going to try and get a few nice videos before I leave. We did test fit our carbon bumper, but I'm not going to put it in yet because it was an absolute pain to get out. But yep, we're making good progress. I'll take some better videos, hopefully make it a lot better, and I will hopefully see you in the next video.